This is a guide for installing the Modul Pulse smart horn in 2007 to 2013 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks. The first step is to remove the headlights. Pop the hood. Remove 8 plastic retainer clips holding the top plastic cover above the radiator and remove it. Remove 4 10mm bolts at the top of the grille. Remove 6 trim panel clips from the back of the grille. Remove front inner fender liner 7mm bolts, then the 10mm bolts, and finally the plastic retainer clips. Then pull back the fender liner to access the rear headlight mount. Loosen the 10mm headlight bolt. The headlight mount is slotted, so the bolt does not need to be completely removed. Remove the 2 10mm bolts from the top of the headlight. Pull out the headlight and disconnect the electrical connector on the back. Repeat for the other side. Now we're ready to install the horns. Unplug the factory horns and remove them with a 10mm socket. Use one of the factory horn mounting locations and the provided brackets and nuts to mount the smart horns. Make sure to leave enough room above the horns for the headlight. Connect the jumper wire from the main horn spade connectors to the secondary horn plug. Connect the provided adapter to the main smart horn, then plug into the manufacturer horn connector. Test your new smart horn to ensure it is functioning properly. Depending on your horn's tone type, it will sound like one of the following. Reassemble the headlight and grille, then reattach the fender liner. Visit our website www.meerya.com for a detailed installation guide.